This video will cover difficult questions regarding the topic of properties of definite integrals. Question 1a. The integral from 0 to 6 f of 1 over 3x dx. Use substitution. Let u equal 1 over 3x. Derive on each side. du equals 1 over 3 dx. Then times 3 on each side. 3 du equals dx. When x equals 6, use this. U of 6 equals 6 over 3 is 2. When x equals 0, then u of 0 equals 1 over 3 times 0 means 0 equals the integral. Now new upper limit is 2 and the new lower limit is 0. Then f of 1 over 3x is u. Then dx equals 3 du equals 3 times. Then change the variable from 0 to 2. F of x dx equals 3 times. This part is 3. Final answer is 9. B. The integral from 0 to 2 f of 3x dx. Use substitution. Let u equal 3x. Then derive on each side. Du equals 3 dx. Then divide by 3 on each side. Du over 3 equals dx. Use this. When x equals 2, u of 2 equals 6. When x equals 0, then u of 0 equals 0. Then back to the original. The integral of, now new upper limit is 6 and the new lower limit is 0. Then f of 3x is u. dx means 1 over 3 du equals 1 over 3 times, change the variable, the integral from 0 to 6 f of x dx equals 1 over 3. This part is 12. The final answer is 4. C. The integral from 0 to 4 f of x plus 2 dx. Use substitution. Let u equal x plus 2. Then derive on each side. Du equals dx. Use this. When x equals 4, then u of 4 equals 6. When x equals 0, then u of 0 equals 2. Now the new upper limit is 6 and the new lower limit is 2. Then f of x plus 2 means u and dx is du. Then change the variable, the integral from 2 to 6 f of x dx. There is a continuous function y equals f of x on the 3 crossed interval determined by 0, 2, and 6. Then this area, the integral from 0 to 2 f of x dx equals 3 here, and this part is this one, the integral 0 to 6 f of x dx is 12. Then 3 plus 9 make 12, so this part is 9. Question 2. Use the property, the integral from a to c f of x dx plus the integral from c to b f of x dx equals the integral from a to b f of x dx. The important point here is that the upper limit in the first integral and the lower limit in the second integral must be the same. Then this one and this one is the same, so these two make the integral from minus 3 to 6 f of x dx, then minus the integral from minus 3 to minus 4 f of x dx equals the integral from minus 3 to 6 f of x dx. The integral, if we change the upper limit and the lower limit, make positive from minus 4 to minus 3, then f of x dx. Then change the order, this one first, the integral from minus 4 to minus 3 f of x dx plus this one, the integral minus 3 to 6 f of x dx, and this number and this number are the same. Then final answer is the integral from minus 4 to 6 f of x dx. This is the last one. At first glance, this question seems very difficult. However, if you try to solve it yourself, you will find that it is easier than you think. Let's solve the problems, shall we? There is a continuous function on the 4 closed interval determined minus 3, 1, 2, and 5. We don't need the y-axis. This part means the closed interval is from 1 to 2. The area is 1. From here, the closed interval is from minus 3 to 2. The area is 5. That means the area for this part is 4. This one means the closed interval is from 1 to 5. The area is 3. That means this part area is 2. So the question, the integral from minus 3 to 5 f of x dx equals, we can rewrite as the integral minus 3 to 1 f of x dx plus the integral from 1 to 2 f of x dx plus the integral from 2 to 5 f of x dx equals, plug in the values. The first one is 4 plus second one is 1 plus last one is 2. Then the final answer is 7. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in a comment below. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.